let us take a moment to center ourselves. And I like to take 3 deep breaths, one for the body, one for the mind, and one for the soul. Allow your body to relax, and feeling any tension or stress just melt away. Bring your attention to the present moment, leaving any distractions or worries behind. And I now invite you to either hold a finger or do a hand mudra and focus on your breathing, making sure your exhale is longer than your inhale. Now let's shift our focus inward, remembering a happy time in life where you felt joy and bliss. A favorite vacation spot, your backyard, or maybe your favorite meditation spot. This place will automatically bring a huge smile to your face, sending happy hormones and neurotransmitters to the brain to invoke a sense of peace and joy. We begin by expressing gratitude for the breath. The breath fills your lungs, providing life-giving air to every cell. Appreciate your lungs for allowing you to breathe and energize your body with vital oxygen. Now shift your focus to your heart, expressing gratitude for its steady beating. Acknowledge the incredible work it does in pumping blood throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nourishment to every part of you. Bring your attention to your bones and joints, expressing gratitude for their strength and flexibility. Appreciate how they support your body, protect your organs, and allow you to move and explore the world around you. Now express gratitude for your muscles, which enable you to move, stretch, and engage in activities you enjoy. Appreciate their ability to provide stability, support, good posture, and generate warmth within the body. Shift your focus to your brain and nerves, expressing gratitude for the role in helping you think, feel, and experience the world. Acknowledge their incredible communication network, coordinating your bodily functions and allowing you to sense and respond to your surroundings. Now bring your attention to your skin, expressing gratitude for its protective barrier. Appreciate how it keeps you safe from external elements, regulates temperature, and allows you to experience touch and sensations. Express gratitude for your digestive system, from your mouth to your stomach and intestines. Appreciate how it breaks down food, extracts nutrients, and provides the energy and nourishment your body needs to thrive. Shift your focus to your kidneys and bladder, expressing gratitude for the role in filtering waste materials from your body. Acknowledge their importance in maintaining fluid balance and supporting the proper functioning of your body. Now express gratitude for the reproductive system. Appreciate the reproductive organs that allow for creation of life. Acknowledge the incredible ability your reproductive organs to nurture and bring forth new life. Bring your attention to your lymphatic system, expressing gratitude for its role maintaining a healthy immune response. Appreciate its ability to filter harmful substances and support your overall well-being. And finally, express deep gratitude for your hormones and the endocrine system. Acknowledge how they regulate various bodily functions and help maintain balance within your body. Now let's take a moment to feel the interconnectedness of all the parts within your body, working together to support your health and well-being. Allow a sense of deep gratitude to fill your being. Thank you, thank you, thank you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this gratitude with you, knowing that your body is a remarkable vessel deserving of appreciation and care. Treat it with kindness, nourishment, and love. I hope this gratitude meditation honoring your body brings you a profound sense of connection, appreciation, and well-being. May it remind you of the incredible wisdom and resilience within you as you continue on your journey of healing and self-care. Namaste.